Hello friends, let's talk about Sun in the 4th house of Aries ascendant today. An interesting part is if you have Sun in this position, then you can be sure that you are born around the midnight. Now why do we say that? Is that this portion of the horoscope represents the morning, the sunrise. This is the sunset, this is the noon, and this is the midnight. Why does this happen is that we know that the sun goes around the earth once in 24 hours, and there are 12 houses in this horoscope. So sun covers all the 12 houses in 24 hours. That means it covers one house in 2 hours. So what happens is, let us say the sunrise is at this point, and 2 hours sun will stay here. Next 2 hours sun will be in this house, next 2 hours in this house, next 2 hours in this house, and so every 2 hours it keeps traveling till it comes back. So for example, if sunrise is at, let us say, 5 o'clock in the morning, so 5 to 7 o'clock sun will be in this house, 7 to 9 o'clock sun will be in this house, then the next 2 hours 9 to 11 in this position, 11 to 1 o'clock, which is the afternoon, sun will be here, 1 to 3 in this position, 3 to 5 in this position, and at the sunset between 5 to 7 sun will be here, 7 to 9, 9 to 11 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock in the morning, that is around the midnight hours, 1 to 3 o'clock in the early morning, 3 to 5 o'clock early morning, and then the morning again takes place. This is how sun is placed in the horoscope as per your time of birth. So if you have your own horoscope and you have other people's horoscope, please take those horoscopes out and check out if as per the birth time what I have explained, sun is placed in which house. Now we'll come back to sun in the 4th house. What happens in the 4th house here is that 4th house has the sign number 5 written here, which is the sign of Leo. Leo belongs to sun itself. So sun has come in its own sign. So sun becomes very powerful in its own sign. However, the dichotomy here is that this is the midnight hour and sun is the strongest. Sun gets the directional strength or the Disha bal that we call in this house. So coming here, the power of the sun may reduce slightly. However, still it will be quite powerful in this house. The 4th house represents our property, real estate, vehicles, furniture. So with sun in this house, the person will try to obtain all these things, and he will get also all these things. The 4th house represents our mother. The mother of the person will have characteristics of sun here, because one, the sun is placed in the mother's house, and secondly, the sign of sun is also located here. So the mother will have all the qualities of sun. She will have a lot of self-confidence and she will have a magnetic personality. However, the drawback here can be that she may want to dominate the household. Now the 4th house also represents our home, and sun represents the soul. That means the soul of the person is always at home. What it means is that the person will find happiness when the person is at home. He may not find that much of happiness outside, but at home he'll be very happy. He would want all kind of domestic peace and happiness around him. The 4th house also represents water bodies like rivers, canals, water which is flowing basically. And we may find that this person will also enjoy himself. He will find peace and happiness when he goes, sits next to a river or a canal. The 4th house represents our basic education, and sun being in the 4th house, the person will make a lot of efforts to complete his basic education up to the bachelor's level. If the same sun is connected to the 11th house or Jupiter in any case, then the person will be highly successful in his basic studies. And if it is also connected to Venus, in that case, the person will succeed in competitive exams. The 4th house being 12th from the 5th house, which is the house of our love affairs. So this person may not really be very interested during this period to get into any kind of love affairs. And if he has love affairs, then the love affairs are likely to break up. The father of the person may not have such a good time during this period when Sun is active, because the 4th house is the 8th house from the house of father, and the 8th house represents all kind of troubles for the father, disappointments, and the father may get into arguments and fights during this period. Another thing which is to be taken care of is that in case Sun is aspected by Mars from this house, then the person is likely to have defect in one of his eyes, not both eyes, but one of his eyes. And in case Jupiter is placed in this house, then the person will be a very good-natured person. However, there may be chances of theft in his house. His gold, etc. may be stolen, and so the person should be careful against these things. Now, to get the best results of Sun here, remedies are not required. But in case you want extra money, extra income to come to you, then with Sun in this position, you must look after your parents. Look after both your father and mother very well. Also, if you have Sun in this placement, never have any extramarital affair and keep your moral standards and character very high level. Only then Sun will give you good effects. Otherwise, Sun's effects will begin to turn malefic. That's all about Sun in the 4th house. Thank you.